Hey, what's up, gang? So if you want to see how I achieve these pearly pearls, stay tuned and watch this video on how I whiten my teeth. You see this? Ain't no young man. Ain't no young man. Ain't no young no, really. Look at that. Okay, stay tuned, tune in. What's up, gang? Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't yet, can I get you to like, comment, and subscribe? Tell a friend to tell a friend, and y'all all join in. Let's get it, y'all know the motto. And we are going to be... Why my camera finna go dead? Okay, gang, we back. My baby got a little more juice. Excuse the stain on my shirt. I'm a mom. Okay? It's cookies. But yes, I want y'all to see how I whiten my teeth. 5 simple steps. First, we're going to... If y'all even want to see this. If you don't want to see this, go to the next video. I am going to whiten my teeth using Expert White gel. It is 44%, so that's strong. First, I'm going to brush, floss my teeth. Second, I'm going to protect my gums with like coconut oil in the place of, you know how they put the blueberry thing on your teeth? We don't have that, okay? We're using coconut oil. I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm going to pat it dry with a towel, a cloth towel, and then I'm going to go over my gums. Rub them real good in coconut oil. After I rub them, I'm going to apply this to the front of my teeth. Excuse that. I'm going to apply this to the front of my teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to do 8 of my teeth. Fun fact, I wasn't born with no teeth, but in my lifetime, I will only get 30 teeth. Everybody get 32 teeth, I will only get 30 teeth. So cool, right? You know how everybody got 4 teeth before their veins, and their veins are their 6 teeth. Tooth. Like that. One. They got 1, 2, 3, 4 veins. At the bottom, I have 1, 2 veins. Permanently missing 2 teeth. Never had them. They say it's very rare and only hereditary, but I don't know anybody who is missing 2 teeth. Or they not missing because they were never there. You get it? But bear with me. I'm gonna brush my teeth real fast, nothing major. I just want to get whatever on there out. The cleaner you start, the better the results are when you finish. Mostly brushing the front. That's what I'm working with. Nothing major. I'm gonna rinse it out real good. Make sure all that toothpaste is out. And then I'm getting my cloth towel. Then I'm gonna pat my teeth dry and try not to keep smelling, so that I won't wipe it off with the inside of my gums. Okay. So I'm gonna do this. Dry it so the coconut oil can stick. I don't want to even use all that. Just to protect my gums from grinding. Gum big than the wood. Okay. Okay. As such. take the top off my hand. Real deal Holyfield. Look like I'm eating chicken. And on my thigh. A little bit to each tooth, and then I'm gonna rub it to make sure the tooth is colored. You know, you don't want to overdo it and have it on your gums, or it will hurt. Okay. Then I use my little handheld LED light. I'm sliding already. I'm sorry. This shit. This stuff. Raining already. Hold up. Wait. Okay. And I'm gonna do the light for 15 minutes, okay? Okay, so I've did the light for 15 minutes, rinsed it out, and these are my results. I did burn my mouth, my gums at the beginning, and I had to wipe all that mess off and start over. This is the strongest like you can get. 44% is the strongest you can get. This is what it must say. Professional. It's professional. You hear me? It's for professionals. But can I get y'all to like, comment, and subscribe? Tell a friend and tell a friend, and y'all all join in and let them know that I got the hacks for the teeth whitening. If you want your stuff big, general white like it, yeah, let me know. And maybe I can like go into business doing this or something, you know, because oh, you can't never go wrong with a white smile. And don't do the head. I got like one more step. This is like step 2 to the faux locks, and it ain't done. I got to put the faux locks on this. They sitting there, so I don't. It look a mess. It's gonna be cute when I finish. Focus on teeth. Oh my God. It show all my features. Yeah. Look at them. Ha. And now y'all know. No, seriously. My teeth are white. This is only my second session. I always do nothing more than 15 minutes because that mess burns. It'll start burning. Gums be sizzled up when you're done. Like I said, this is only my second session of 15 minutes. I may do it, I don't know. It's recommended every day for like 5 days. And then you can do like every 2 weeks. But being that my stuff look good, I may do every other day for about 5 days, or the remaining 3 more days. Initially, the dentist they take your mold and make you a tray, and you put it in your tray, and you wear your tray for about 30 minutes to an hour a day without a lead light. Being that I got a lead light, it's supposed to speed up the process, which is why I only do 15 minutes. The LED light, is it LED LED? It's LED. I say LED. LED light speeds up the process and gives you instant results right then, versus wearing a tray over amount of days. So the time frame that it has is also for a tray, so I might not even have to do, I shouldn't have to do the recommended days that it says, because this LED light is like, it's, do you, my teeth were yellow. I'm gonna submit before pictures of the yuck mouth, and then now pictures of the shine so pretty mouth. Y'all stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm on my way to 1K. I give myself 6 months. Let's get it. Once again, thank you. If you want your teeth white, this is right. If you want your teeth white, this is right. The right way to go. Alright, stay tuned.